the equation of a plane that is tangent to the surface xyz is equal to 8 at the point 1, 2, 4 is, right. See here, this is suppose this surface equation is xyz given, suppose this is one surface, right. Now one plane is this surface, suppose xyz is equal to 8, right, minus 8 is equal to 5, that is the equation of this surface, right, that is given. 5 is equal to xyz minus 8, that is the equation of surface. Now one plane is there, suppose one plane you are considering that touching this, suppose this is a plane touching this, right, our surface, right, then touching point 1, 2, 4 given, right, but the condition is that should be a tangent to this surface, tangent to this surface. Now equation of a plane passing through a point, first I am finding, what is that, x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap, but 1, 2, 4, x minus 1 I cap plus y minus 2 j cap plus z minus 4 k cap. This is a equation of a plane, right. So equation of a plane, I am representing this some phi dash. Now this is a vector lying on this plane, that's why that is the equation of this plane, alright, alright. Now it should be tangent means, right, this plane should be perpendicular to this surface. Suppose the touching point I am considering, if I draw a perpendicular to this surface, what is the perpendicular direction of a surface? That is very important. If surface equation given, gradient phi is normal to the surface. So this is the gradient phi direction. Now if this is tangent means this normal vector to the surface making with this tangent should be 90 degree. That means del phi dot this phi dash, that should be equal to 0. Cos 90 is 0, right, dot product should be 0, alright. So this dot product how we represent, right, first you find gradient phi. What is gradient phi? See, I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z. This is gradient operator and function equation is xyz minus 8, alright. So this is, right, when I find this gradient phi, what is the value with respect to x1, then y z I cap plus here with respect to y only 1, then x z j cap plus with respect to z xy k cap, alright. Now at 1 to 4, because this point is touching at this point, right, 1 to 4, at 1 to 4, 2 into 4, 8 I cap, alright. Now 1 into 4, 4 j cap, right, and 1 into 2, 2 k cap. Now this is our gradient phi value, that is 8 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap dot our this surface, right, equation of the plane, that already we got x minus 1 I cap, alright, plus y minus 2 j cap plus z minus 4 k cap. Now simplify this, then 8 into x minus 1, right, can I write here? Alright, so 8 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 2 plus 2 into z minus 4, right, that should be equal to 0. Then 8x, right, 8x minus 8 plus, right, then 4y minus 8, 4y minus 8 plus 2z minus 8 equal to 0. That means 8x plus 4y, 8x plus 4y plus 2z minus 8 minus 8 minus 8. Alright, then 24. 24 come here. Now this you can divide with 2. That means 4x plus 2y plus z equal to 12. 4x plus 2y plus z is equal to 12. Which is the option? Option B is correct, right? Alright, option B is correct. Alright.